Welcome everyone to the sponsored review of Hycon, a very promising blockchain project coming out of Korea. Before we get into just what Hycon wants to do, I want to take a moment to tell you that you are amazing and I love having you as part of the cryptocurrency community. And of course, you do need to remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. Hycon, or hyper-connected coin, is being built by one of Korea's leading blockchain companies, Glossfer. Hycon is but one of the blockchain firm's projects, but is likely to be one of their most important. Hycon is the first of three parts of what is being labeled the Infinity Project. Hycon will serve as the foundation of a customizable enterprise blockchain platform and a decentralized exchange, with the mainnet already active and the full code source already being readable over on GitHub. Industries which Hycon is focusing on are micropayments, public transport, food delivery, and online shopping as just some of the key examples. Hycon is built from scratch. Currently, it is a blockchain, which is in the process of morphing into a DAG. DAGs, of course, are very well suited to high throughput in terms of transactions. However, Hycon has some interesting additional features which makes it stand out. First, it has the ability to publish several blocks at the same time. The idea is more blocks more often instead of bigger blocks. While you may think this would result in crazy double spends, Hycon is actually going to be utilizing the Spectre consensus algorithm in order to avoid double spends. The DAG architecture is well suited to this situation of very high throughputs and lots of transactions happening. Unlike other DAGs, Hycon is a DAG of blocks rather than a DAG of individual transactions. Spectre is essentially a voting algorithm between pairs of blocks to determine their order. Hycon will be running the ASIC-resistant crypto night algorithm to try and maintain a more decentralized mining framework. Hycon mining will last around 50 years with an initial reward of 8 Hycon per second. Although a decision on reducing mining rewards will be made in early November. F2 Pool is supporting Hycon, which will be a welcome bonus in terms of network security, as the hash rate increases for Hycon. Hycon also uses dynamic difficulty adjustments for its mining. Currently, Hycon has a 15-second block time with 200 transactions per second. However, with the full Spectre upgrade, this can possibly reach 3,000 transactions per second. The move from 100 transactions per second to 200 transactions per second is thanks to an update called the Ghost Protocol, which is certainly impressive for a proof-of-work coin considering how slow coins like Bitcoin are at 7 transactions per second. Ghost is the pre-Spectre development aimed at making rewards available for orphan and discarded blocks, thus encouraging greater participation among the miner community. Hycon has Ledger wallet support with Trezor wallet support, mobile wallets, and smart contract functionality, all being worked on. The Hycon coin is the juice of the network and, of course, the reward to miners for securing the network. There will also be a coin burn. In fact, there has already been one coin burn, and another buyback and burn date will be announced on November 7th. But Hycon is also working on getting accepted as a payment method, particularly for online stores, game platforms, and retail shops. This is being termed Hycon Adventure. Nice, guys. Fees will range from 0.5 to 3%, all of which will be burned. That is very noteworthy. Estimates put this burn as high as 5 billion coins over 50 years, which to be fair, is a very long time, but is still awesome. Hycon has already landed various government contracts, such as helping to make a local currency for the No-Wan district of Seoul, or the proposal evaluation system for the Yeongdong-po district of Seoul. The Korean Copyright Commission is also partnered up with Hycon, and many more besides that. Outside of the government sector, Hycon is also partnered with the Frankfurt School Blockchain Center and has MOUs signed with a lot of different companies, such as the Mouse Belt Blockchain Accelerator and a company named Shuttle, which is a food delivery service in Seoul. Shuttle will be trialing the Hycon Pay. They're also partnered up with Shinhan Card. This is Korea's top card provider and has also signed an MOU to work together with them on blockchain-based financial services. On top of all of these partners, there are a number of reverse ICOs planned for Hycon, and they'll be coming soon to the network. The first dApp being developed on Hycon is called Tausch Coin, which will reward shoppers for sharing their shopping data. Nice innovation in terms of getting paid to shop. So what are my concerns with Hycon? Currently, it is only listed on 2 exchanges, although one of those is OKX, which is a massive exchange, but more liquidity is needed for investors. But Hycon is scheduled to be listed on a major Korean exchange on the 12th of November. On September 1st, private pre-sale and bonus coins all got released, resulting, unsurprisingly, in a price decline. The good news is that the dumping is over. The bad news is that the dumping happened in the first place. This is a project that has been hit hard since its ICO in the markets, like basically everything else right now in the crypto markets. But had this come out at a different time, I think the results would have been much different for Hycon. Then what about competition? There are so many competitors operating in this exact field, and even in Korea. So therefore, Hycon will really need to keep getting these good partnerships and good clients in order to stay ahead of the pack. Hycon's technology still needs to be proven. We still need to have a fully operational DAG running 3,000 transactions per second with smart contracts in the Spectre protocol. When we see that, awesome. But until then, as they say, the proof will be in the pudding. And what are the opportunities that I see for Hycon? Overall, Hycon is a low hype project focused on delivering tech that works, which is of course always refreshing to see. Hycon has a great range of partners and a wide range of connections in Korea and abroad, and that means that there will be communities using the Hycon coin, which is obviously very important for any crypto project. For me, Hycon is highly reminiscent of Icon, which hit 100x during the last bull run. Even though Icon has struggled since that time due to market conditions, I see a lot of similarities here, and Hycon is well poised to perform well during the next market run, especially considering the current price and market cap. And if you look at the market cap currently, it's around 8 times lower than Icon, which is definitely noteworthy. Final thoughts from me on Hycon. This is a very promising project being developed by a serious company with real partners and is likely to perform well when the markets recover, and is certainly one to keep an eye on. But of course, those are just my 2 Satoshis on Hycon. Thank you so much for watching this video on Hycon. I would love to know what you think about Hycon down below in the comments section. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell to keep up to date with what is happening in crypto. Join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.